So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually going to design a fashion flyer using PixelLab. So let me go to my size. I will pick 903 as the width, and then the height I will leave it at the same. So let me go to my color here. I'll pick this color for now. I'll pick this color. So let me go to my shape. Let me use shape. And I will just project it to this. And then for the color of the shape, I need it to be blue. Let me just increase the darkening. Yeah, I need it to be this. Let me just yeah, this is perfect. So let me just create another shape here. And then drag it toward here. So I need this one to be lighter. Yeah, I need this one to be lighter, just like this. Let me just decrease the size again. Okay. So let me go to my opacity and just decrease it a little bit. Yes, I can use this. Or maybe if you actually don't want to use this color, you can use this and then decrease the opacity. You can use this and then decrease the opacity. Yeah, let me just leave this. No, don't want this. Just need this color, and I will decrease the opacity. Yeah, so this is what I actually need. So now, what I will do actually is I will create a shape. I will increase the radius. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Shall let me just increase this to this. So what I will do is I will go to inner shadow, I'll go to inner shadow and then enable it. So I will just decrease the below. I will decrease it a little bit like this. So I will copy this. I don't supposed to copy it. Let me enable the inner shadow for now. So what I will do is I will copy this to this, copy it again to this, copy it again to downwards. Yeah, let me just work with this. So for this one, so let me just enable the ruler. Yeah, you can see the line is actually straight, so let me enable it. So I will decrease this and then fix it towards here. Decrease it again. So what I will do is I will create a kind of stroke so as to just create a demarcation. So let me just amend it. Yeah, this is good. So I'll copy it again and then fix this one here. Copy it again and then fix it here. Copy it again and then fix it here. Yeah. So here we go with this. So I will actually go to my text and then write the name of, let me just leave it like this, the name of the brand. And then where's my color? I'll fix this color. So I go to fonts. I'm using popping. So here we go. So I'll copy this and write collections. Uppercase letters. So for this, I'll just reduce the size. Reduce the size for this also. Yeah, this is good. Let me see. So let me just adjust this. So for this, let me just move it a little bit here. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So here we go. Here we go with this. So I will write the slogan, which is on view, on cover. So I will go to the color and then make it this black, and go to fonts. I will choose this font here. Then I will resize it. Increase the size. Yep. Then move it toward here. So if I like, I can go and stroke it with white. The stroke level should be 1. Let it be, should I say white? Yeah, white. Yep. So what I will do now is I will create a shape. Create a shape. And this shape I will drag it toward here. Yeah, and increase the radius. Yep, this is perfect. So what I will do is I will go to stroke and stroke it with this little bit. Now I will go to texture and it will direct me to my gallery, where I will just select this. Let me just fix this. Yep, you can actually see it. So here we go with this. I've already textured it. So I will just copy this. So I will copy this and then write our services. Let me make it in uppercase letters and fix them toward here. So I will just decrease the size very big. So for this, I will go to stroke and then stroke it with a little bit of white. Yeah, and then maybe shadow. Kind of shadow. The opacity should be decreased. Yeah, I need this. Yeah. So I will go in and impute the services they rendered. Let me just paste them. I've already copied. So I will just go to color and then fit the color, and then for the fonts I'll pick neutral regular. Yeah. Just fix it. Yep. So for this, I will just decrease the size. Yeah, this is perfect. So I will create another shape here. In this shape, I will just kind of align towards here. Yeah. So I will fit this shape. And I will just decrease the opacity and increase the radius. Yeah, this is much good. So you can actually see. So for this, I will go to structure because I want to texture all this. I'll go to texture and then import the. Let me see which one. Okay, I'm using this for now. So I will just create this. I just selected this, and then you see it has been textured. So let me increase the scale. So I will go for the next one. I will go for it and I will pick this, size it like this, and then bam, this texture. Let me just increase the, yeah. So I will do so for all. So now what I will do is I will go here to text and then I will write the location. Let me see where this. Let me just put this one to be yeah. So I'll just fix it here. So let me go to my font and I'll choose neutral regular. Let me go to color and pick this and decrease the size. So I'll just make it what is direction, this axis. Yep, I'll copy this and I write contact us. Just fix it here. Yep. So I'll write the phone number and just paste it. Yep. I think we are almost good to go. Do I supposed to resize this? Yeah, this is good. So let me go to my gallery and import something. So I will just import this. I'll put it to the back and then I will decrease the opacity. Yeah, let me leave it at 30. Let me leave it at this. So now what's actually remains is the icons for this, the phone number, WhatsApp, and then location. So I'll just impute them. I will just import them from my gallery. So let me just do that. So I already import them. So what I will do is I will work on them now. So let me just resize this. So here we go. So let me just create a kind of something very small. Just make the color to reddish. So here is just how to design a fashion flyer using your PixelLab. So I can actually work on the alignments. Okay. So you can actually see it. It is actually aligned now. So what's happening? Okay, this one. Yeah. So here is just how to do your fashion design flyer using your smartphone. That's PixelLab app. Thank you very much for your time. You can actually go and save your work. After saving, you can actually go to Snapset and then enhance the quality. Take an example. Okay, let me just, sorry, where's my Snapset? Let me go to here. Yeah, then I'll go to details, press the structure, sharpening, and you can go to temperature and then decrease this to 30, and for the tint let's increase it to maybe 2 or 1. Yeah, so I can actually go here to looks and then make it pop. You actually see, so I can actually export my work. Thank you very much for your time. Please do have a nice day, and then if you are actually new or haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that we can go along. So the link to the material is actually on the description menu. You can actually, although the file is actually zipped, so you actually have to follow all the process in order to get the link, the password. Sorry. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Thank you.